insightful, grow present. How to make men chase you. These 5 strategies will make a man chase you. These work best with a guy you just met and you want him to chase you, and even with a guy that you are in a relationship with already. Number 1. Scarcity. As humans, we feel attracted to things that give us a sense of scarcity. If something is always available, there is plenty of it around us, we don't value it much, we may like it but we don't see it as valuable. The same thing when it comes to men, especially men with a very strong masculine energy. Men are natural hunters, and we feel like anything worth having, we have to work for it. That is when we are going to see it as valuable. How to become scarce. When he calls you, don't answer the call immediately, and don't text him back immediately. When he reaches out and says, "Hey, I want to see you, can we hang out this Friday?" Don't say yes immediately, just tell him, "Please can you give me time, let me check my schedule on Friday, I will get back to you this evening." Make him wait for a little while, before getting the answer. As he is waiting, he is thinking about you, you have successfully entered his heart. When you don't give him this free access into your life, he is going to work harder for it, and when he finally gets it, he will value it. When you finally text back, appreciate him and say something to him that makes him feel good. This will make him feel validated and eager to do more to get more validation. Number 2. Let him initiate contact. Let him initiate contact at least 80% of the time. Let him do the majority of the calling, texting, and making plans with you. The reason is this: if you call him or text him often, he is not going to get enough space to miss and chase you. People value things that they work for. The more effort they put into it, the more they care will value it. If you are always the first to call or text him, you decrease his desire to chase you. And when you focus on receiving, he is going to give more. Number 3. Show him that you love him only when know he loves you. If a man is constantly attempting to make you want him, it means he likes you. Show him that you love him too, but at the same time take things slowly with him. Remember, men want that thing that looks like a challenge to them. When you take things slowly, it gives you the opportunity to start something real with this dream guy. Number 4. Be ready to work away. If a man is not giving you the love and the time you want, just be ready to walk away. Don't try to change him. If he wants you, he is going to do his best to get you back. You need to make him understand that he has to change or he is going to lose you. Don't get this wrong. You don't have to tell him. You need to demonstrate this in your behavior. Remember, action speaks louder than voice. Number 5. Know your worth. Just understand this. You are just the best version of yourself. There is nobody in the world like you, and it is amazing how often we forget this. We compare ourselves with others, and then conclude that the other person is better than us. If you have that in mind, it is going to manifest in your reality. What I usually recommend is, write a list of all the best features you have, and read it aloud every day. This will make you value yourself, and he is going to value you too and make him chase you. But wait, why do you want him to value you when you don't value yourself? It doesn't work that way. Remember this always. You are a woman, it is natural to be desired and loved by a man. This has nothing to do with the appearance of your figure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.